Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our RHCSA training for beginners. I am Vishnu from Network Rhinos, and in this module, we are going to start with very basic information with the introduction to Linux and RHEL. Now, before we dive into commands and configuration, let's understand what Linux is. Let's ask a question. What is Linux? Linux is an operating system just like Windows or Mac, but it's open source. That means anyone can view, modify, and share its code. It was first created by Linus in 1991 as a hobby project, and today it runs on servers, mobile phones like Android, supercomputers, and even space systems. A key point, if Windows is like a paid toll road, Linux is like a free public road. You can use it, customize it, and build your own rules also. Second question, why do companies use Linux? In India and worldwide, Linux is very popular in enterprise because of following reasons. First, free and open source. No heavy license fees at all for Linux. Secure. Less chance of virus and malware. Third point, stable and reliable. Can run for years without rebooting. Fourth, customizable. You can change it to suit your needs. Fifth, supports enterprise application, banking, telecom, cloud servers, many run on Linux. For example, IRCTC railway ticketing servers run on Linux because they need high speed and stability. Let's talk about what is RHEL and the roles of RHCSA training. First, let's talk about RHEL itself. RHEL stands for Red Hat Linux Enterprise. That's what RHEL means. It is a commercial version of Linux made by a company called Red Hat. It's designed for enterprises, comes with official support from Red Hat, has regular updates, security patches, and tested stability too. Now think of RHEL like a professionally managed premium version of Linux, safe, stable, and perfect for large companies. Role of RHCSA training. So in this course, you will learn how to install and configure RHEL, how to manage users, files, and permissions, how to handle servers in real company environments, and we will practice real world examples from Indian enterprises. By the end, you will be really happy and ready to handle Linux systems in IT job. Whether it's in cloud computing, networking, or DevOps, you will be the king or queen in Linux. So today, remember these three key points. Linux is a free and open source operating system. RHEL is the enterprise version from Red Hat who built it. RHCSA training will make you job ready for the Linux administration. So in our next session, we'll learn about Linux more. Let's hope for the next video. Thank you.